Aye. Aye, my boy. But they're not gonna gully. The people over hills and valleys too. Yes. 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 Hills and valleys, my beautiful people. Yeah. Long time we don't hear some bird and some something and make some bag and nice zone. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Walking, I go to the street down, back to my mother. Behind you.
Yeah.
The next thing over saying, I'm like, back fast and then middle.
Yeah.
Yes, you are. I don't know what do you know. If you walk this out, enough people for saying. You know that? And come back on. Now, you see how we go? When I go in, go up the shop, pick the foot and come chill. Straight up. And you end up drop up on this road.
Yeah, man, people. New member to the team, this, you know, so get used to him, you know. Yeah, man. Tell the people them what your name, man.
Yeah, man, beautiful people. Alex attacked him up on the channel, you know what I mean? You see more than me and thing.
Noxy name, yeah, man. All Frankie, you know. Yeah, man, see. See Crespo over there, so there. You see me?
But we still not reach the destination, so we just follow away. We continue the journey.
Yeah, man. Tips. You hear them talk about bush lad. Introduce him for sure. Him show you what go on. You know. See the people, I don't know if you can see. You know? Mango, you know? The Oakless man. No what nothing. You show her next one it a come now. No what nothing, man. Nothing again in the people. Aye. Aye, my boy. But they're not gonna gully.
Right then the right side. Just clean it, sure.
Mine was in, man. Yeah, man, people. Great. Knock, see that, you know. You see them? Yeah. Take them up and go and show the people them. People are mango season in Jamaica in about. Right now, most is string here.
Black mango and long.
Black mango and long here ripe too.
Yeah, man, that's what I say over so holy.
You see a man a mash on the bush. See that, people? Yes, man.
Beautiful. Nice Jamaican string mango.
What type of mango, my dad?
String mango. Nice juice and things, people. You see them?
So you say, them are in the bush to the car.
Yeah. You can see. Nice string mango.
Yeah, man. See one there. See one there, right? That's some of that.
Pretty to see. We'll take it to.
Yeah, man, people. A member in a man. Noxy in a man. New addition to the team in a people. You see me? Yeah, man. See what I go on. So people, we soon talk to you in a car. We are going in the bush, go do some hunting. So we soon talk to you, just stay tuned. But you look for Noxel. You see jelly pan it? Oh. Them boy reach it before we.
Reach before we see. Nice to get to all that for drink.
They're near. They're near, I know.
I know. We'll not tell the people that we're not going to do, you know. Jaja know my people. Power salmon up in our bush.
Yeah, it's nice to look in the sharp
In our country, in our country. Yeah man, journey we are take on, you know. You see me? Yeah man.
Up in the end.
Good amount of journey, you know. Get some gold. Yeah. Yeah man, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel, man. When you don't know I go. Boy, when I wickedest journey this me take on, people. Look how me I said, watch out. Jesus Christ, people, but we finally I take a break. Eat some food, you know? Some bread and some sausages. You see me? Yeah man, we come out and we own some yam to the people. The journey was rough, brother. Naxi over here, so. Yeah man, I don't know Crespo over there, so you see me I say? Yeah man, and people, yard and abroad, big up on yourself, man. I can't even talk, I soon talk to you, you see it? So stay tuned, keep it locked to the channel, people. You see it? Out there.
Yes, peace, yard and abroad. You know where we go there now. We go for the yam hunting. So we come with it. Chili I video man today because Chili can't dig yam, you know, so you know a tourist thing go already. Come in the peep. Straight down in the bush here.
Man, then chop up head to two of them, man. So brother, yam them have to go come over the hill.
So I tell them we drop down the hill with the back one day,
People, I'm not lie, you know. I think me I go love the adventure you still, you see me? Yeah man, people. Everybody know Crespo already and see new addition to the team, you know, man.
We done that.
Wow, stick, you know.
Yeah man.
Sir, Naxi.
See, I have a cut a stick.
Yeah.
So where you am there?
See that, sir? So one of them will go flow with, you know. Alright.
Alright.
You see with this, sir? You have a cut on good stick. You see this? No.
Yam this, you know, man.
Yam that.
See the people. This dig?
No, man. That one, yam in that, man.
So no more yam this here, so too?
Well, they know, they not tell us, one did this, sir.
But more, no one this here, so. Where? One this.
Like that,
No like that, right?
How old are you? So this I am a big?
Them big on that.
Them big, man.
Yeah.
In the Jamaican jungle hunting for yam, man. You know what I'm saying? And we find a lovely yam. As you see it, people, from way over here, so. Come back way around here, so people. Me tell you some feel so me I go like the adventure here today, you know, people. Cause we not just go dig the yam them. We reach back. We are going to link up with Dan, aka Dinner Man, people. Cook a pot. Tomorrow, we are going to market or sell some yam. People, we just do it for the adventure, people. We are going to test with skills, people. You see what I say? So we are go out there, accompany with Naxi. You don't know, as I say, my new addition to the team, people. Just look out to see me in a whole heap of video. You get what I say? Yeah, man, you don't know Crespo. There too. From longer while, so I am the you know.
On the dig already.
Oh. So people, stay tuned, man. Excited adventure today, man. Excited. But remember, leave a like on the video. Yeah, man, and leave a comment. People who watch the video about now, comment. Leave a comment.
All our new people, them gonna subscribe to the thing when you know it go already.
Ring the notification bell. So you don't know. People in the jungle, I'm sorry, never carry a slingshot. I'm on a bird. You get me? And for the camera, we end up having to use a different device called Crespo left a memory chip. So
As usual.
I do some sample still. But we out here, people, stay tuned.
Yo! So yeah, my peeps, you don't know we dig them already, you know. Stick we are use. Dig yam them, so you don't know where go already, though. So a new technique is a way out. The great Naxi show me that one here. Cause last time when we on blocks for look yam, what we use again?
Picker.
Picker.
Explore Jamaica walking in picker.
Yeah, the one they say uptown style and this.
But that's the easy. Them place here, brother.
No man, them dirt and that stuff, you know.
You take yam out of bush.
You don't go that to take you out of. That's how we don't take Every man I carry like one half bag. Last time I drop down the hill with me. Too heavy, brother. So I know it go already. Blocks. Do they?
Yeah, man, people, no see what go on. Yam that a dig in, man. And people, them here are wild yam, you know. Them wild, you know. You see how far we are come from? We are St. Mary. You know, for Portland.
To Portland. Yam.
Yeah, man.
I'll give them a mosquito adventure tomorrow.
Yeah, man. See the people mosquito. Yeah, man. See the mosquito them, yeah. Tell me, I tell you. You see me?
Have some better stick down here with the duffel. And reach down there.
Boy, now them style. Fast forward and slow it down sometimes.
Slow it down.
And you have your automatic one, a ziggy say, you know.
You don't want this too.
Yeah, man, see it, people. A piece, yeah. Kind of.
Bust off already.
Soft yam them, you know.
Yes, off, yeah.
You see me, peeps. Soft yam, you know. Crispa ball say me fi take a dig, but you no reach now yet. You reach in a 4 yam and you no take out 1 yet.
Can't get them out, so. Be careful, you know.
That broke, man.
Little time in the yard dig. Blacks are tell me say me draw it here, man, watch her.
I tell him, man,
Bust
to draw
man, make it bust off in the people.
I tell him no draw, yeah, man.
One little piece left down in there though. Me dey follow blacks people, you know where it is there.
Tell him, man, say.
You know broke off, see there? One little piece left in there.
Sylvain see this. I don't know what type of that. I have to wait till Naxi forward.
Naxi forward, you know them, you know.
That can't turn, you know, man.
One little piece that, yeah.
That can't turn. Up here, so danger part now.
Right,
so
we're gonna move.
This no can, this no depend this one.
No depend that.
People from you can see now will stick to it all, you know what I mean? I sharpen first thing. So I stick out, dig out the yam. What's in a hole. So I sharpen it and then cut off piece side to the item you can manage and then start the process. Yeah. I sharpen it up and everything.
Boy, people, me there, I am a child big yam, man, to move on this. Man, to move on this up. Man, run me. What kind of wood them you cut, brother?
Wild coffee, there, one piece, you say, no? You say a wild coffee.
So
One
this
two.
hour?
Sweetwood, wild sweetwood.
Hey, I want to give man knowledge of a jungle of in place. This is a
People,
peep.
process.
I am going to be star for that channel, you know.
Right.
Please remember what they might tell you. When I dig off it, start from.
We out.
Yeah, because you know, I dig on. We don't want
blacks this chat.
Alright, the people, stop that.
And
Man.
pick how we should
Clean out them now.
People with them man, no time we have 400 pound of yam.
If you not follow.
Alright, yes, I go on. Me and blacks are tourists to the thing. Learn where I learn the game, but the man are pro. Pro at work.
Man, I could have dig out a foundation with that picture and road, you know, people. You hear me?
Yeah, man. But you have to dig it wide, because
You don't know what all it
like
is.
this, it will get trouble with this. You have to dig it wide to get the space. Yes, I know. Then you know. The far side, right? This one.
Yeah, man, you see, man, how far you gone down in the hole, you know.
So much piece of yam with them.
You find food, you know.
You don't say me a tourist, I admit it, say me a tourist.
Okay, sir.
But me I learn the game. How so much piece of yam they left down in there?
How you think life go? Each one learn from each one, you know that.
You learn the game,
Sit
people,
down,
right?
yeah.
Me I go do a put on the drinking.
Yeah, people, you know, I see it. Nice piece I rented, the first piece is come on. Nice and pretty. I'm more nice and nice on this piece, I don't know. Alright, people. Don't want it broke, so. Dig off, come on inside, so.
Right.
One in there, so. So no off.
I back yam them, you reach?
Alright, yeah, peeps, one. Nice piece there again. Glammy. And tastes like dumpling, you know what I mean? The cook.
Man,
Good
then say if you fling yam them pan wall, you know, the people.
Yeah, man, I see you.
It's stuck on the wall, you know. Yeah, man.
God, tell them about it.
Yes, my people. Should have two fat red snapper with them, yeah. But we are good on go cook a pot in the people. You see me? Yeah, man. Go up on the market tomorrow. Look on the yam them people. Yeah, man. Can't make no harder, you know. Yeah, man. That one a chip still, but you don't know. At least that can cook, you know. Yeah, man. You reach over to the next one, you know.
Alright, I took out a piece one now. Alright. Yeah, Crystal. Look at that piece.
Whoa.
Talk to them boys.
Whoa, people, look at that.
Tell them I start doing.
Why? People wonder if soft yam can make porridge.
What, no?
We make yam porridge already, you know.
No.
Yeah, man, people, look there. They stack up yam, you know, man. I breadfruit make porridge.
Yeah, man.
You have to go make it feed one day.
Yeah, man, normal pretty man.
Alright, then I have to make.
Peace as I see people. Don't know for now. Alright. No, not yet. Don't want it broke people. One more little rushing out and we'll get it.
So how much yam in the road?
2 pieces, one left, 3 pieces. But what may I say, you know, see nothing yet, still not general, car. Alright, peace, boy. Talk to them, my boss, because you have it like that.
Yes, my people, I relax, you know. Because I not dig no yam, you know.
Away from the piece
I carry yam, you
You
know.
know, Chris? More yam, you know.
So no one no want cut off of this.
No, 2 pieces more than this.
So them are not broken and going in the back?
No.
Alright. So people we are about, I'm scale, you know, me.
Oh, God.
Man, they scale, you know. It's about 6 pound I am.
No.
What?
No, not go wrong.
About 6 pound this? More?
Probably about 5.
You're mad, man.
No, man. You get it, thing.
A band they scale we have, you know, man.
About 4 pounds late, it's that.
This is more than 2 pound.
What do you mean weigh some up, so? I can't tell you.
This is more than 2 pound I am.
2.5. Nearly about 3 pounds.
And this is what? More than
I put it about 4. 4 pounds.
This is about 4.
About 4 pounds, the taller piece.
So, and plus them. About 8 pound I am this time, man.
Alright. You see what's
Bat. Kissing, no?
See what I got? But this is what I got. I say no yam never, no?
Them party you have to kiss, you know. You can't kiss them, stay in the party.
You know, so we never see them 2 pieces.
2 more pieces in there. People, we are fine food, you know. You know in Jamaica we don't suffer. Whatever you think of Joe.
We get out them,
yeah, man, watch your people.
Take out all our dig already.
That I heading up people for plant back, you know.
Yeah, for sure the people them couple it too.
So when I plant that back, how long before they come back now?
We'll be buying sitting there.
Next year?
Yeah. November down here. November
So
start
quick.
dig back yam. September down here them time. Yeah, no joke from
So a couple months yam take we come in.
Right, Sylvans are coming for them now.
Then me no coulda.
Yes, peeps, yard and a brother, you know, look. Another piece that you know, one hole we dig. I know so much you have already. Chili show them eat.
Chile.
Hmm?
You say me going to go dig out one yam hill already and find 25 pieces alone out there, you know. Santa what there, over there, so.
So a years nobody no trouble that.
No, them people now come and come dig yam. No, some of them when I think they give over this year, you know, next year. Them you know, some no, you touch you next year, they not dig. Like this year you not touch them. Next year you touch.
That's why now we have come out, you know, madam.
No, man. This get a bruise.
Bring here, sir.
Piece
Another piece this again.
One
so,
piece in there.
Another piece there. See
You
that?
say another piece left in there, the one there. So,
Oh, you want a crisp
how
pump?
much piece that way?
Mess
I
up.
don't have idea. I don't even check them. I will check
It's about 6 pieces or so.
about that bag.
Yeah, 6 pieces
This
to the
makes 7, so I 8
Exact.
piece I am where I get out of 1.
fee. So we get to am bad. 12 pound I am, so you know. You see me?
All of them have planned.
And you planning on my people. We not to
We not put
drop
them
them
back
down in a
deep.
deep hole because you see, next year when you come,
we don't want dig
you
so
dig and
far.
you reach hand length and you still no reach the far side yet. So you know you have a drop box on dirt and a scotching panther. Next year easy access. Yeah. That's so bad. Yeah my people, as you can see where I go on. We finish now and set back the yam them for next year because you know want food. Again if you don't plan them back, you don't have none forget. So as you can see, I go and set back and run
Crisp
the dirt
that piece, you know.
over them.
I am.
So we just put back the dirt over them people and go on and lead with our next year.
You know what I do for going there?
No.
Eh? You don't want to
You
go
only want to have a little
a
bit of
yonder.
dirt over if you kind of catch them
Make
back.
it yam turn right this and it just go up
Yeah,
on
my
top of
people.
it.
Right there. Sure.
Alright,
That is it.
That
This
is
is how we come to do a yam bush people.
Nah,
Look.
man, tired, man. You see, remember we go do grave painting and whole day out, you know. People, so that is the first route and we get nearly a bag, half bag of yam, you know. Yeah, man, so go down more in the valley, you know. Yeah, man, see the man himself in the valley, yeah. When you come to your road, me response to your road, people. You come to the bush.
We come to the responsibility.
Yeah, man, everybody have them part, but see, man himself there.
The man himself.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is just a spring back done.
Yeah, look funny.
You see.
Yes. Food there.
Food there, people. Food there.
So I'm to this.
No, them
They're just a spring back.
Everything else does as
chili, here we go. You see them one there? That's how we like just dig what there. So you can see the one that we just start. The dirt, but we still you can know so you just dig what there.
So fast, it's spring.
Like this kind
That's why them grow so
this
fast.
are dry. You see this in a dig but dry up and I bring up back now so you can see it now. So because when you drive you couldn't see it you know.
whole heap of yam in that then.
No, we see about
1.
2 vine. 2 vine now. You know. This and this. So we'll start digging so.
We don't get so.
We get 1 vine. When you reach on there, no problem. See it people, nice, smooth one just come on. Yeah. Supposed to weigh about 8 pounds. Go to 10 pounds. Yeah man. Real.
What's the man name, man?
Easy mats.
I see a man back down and sit like that a beer red. Jelly them long and waiting. Mother man I want 60 dog buck up. Oh, then Japan. Yeah, man, more in there, man. More? I don't know more. Yes! Yes!
Come down, me dance.
Every man can get two. Yo, the youth, yeah. Youth. You're a real general still in that. And we have saw 4 jelly out there, you make 2. Every man can get 2 jelly, you know. People no put some respect on the man name, you know. You hear? If we see 4 jelly and a 60 man pick, so tell you how that go. How you find them 2 there? So we roll them out of bush, sir. The man a drink a jelly, you know?
Well, thirsty people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you know what we are doing? We are head of land, you know, see if we can go cook a quick pot before, you know? Before night forward, you know? Yeah, man.